Myself Ashwini Gophane. I am from Pune. I have done graduation as a Bachelor of Engineering in 2019. After that, I wanted to switch my career from civil trade to IT field. I was searching for a right training program daily, but I couldn't find the right one. So one day, one of my friend told me about Evision. She also got placed with the help of Evision. So I inquired about it and joined their 45 days internship program. They include models like ITIL, CCNA, networking, Windows administration, hardware troubleshooting, and all the hands-on practicals for the session. They also took my interview preparation session and mock interview. With the help of their mock interview, the interview preparation session, I have cracked my very first interview and I got selected in INFOSYS. So I would really wanted to thank Evision for their tremendous support and guidance, and I will suggest everyone to join Evision's internship program to get a good opportunity in IT industry. Thank you, Evision, once again.